T2, evaluate exponential functions. As long as you use your calculator correctly, this shouldn't be too bad of a lesson, because I know that you're not, going to want to try to do these on your own, right? So it says use the following function rule to find f of 2. So see that this is an x and this is an x. What is x replaced with? A 2. So what are we going to replace our x with? A 2. And what is 4 squared? 16, and that's it. So basically everywhere there's an x, you're going to put the number that's inside the parentheses. So we have 3 to the 4 to the x, and that goes 3 to the 4 to the 3, because that 3 goes right there. 4 to the third is 64, times 3 is 12, 18, 192. Or you can just put it in the calculator. 6 to the 5 to the 4. That 4 is that 4. Okay, 4 plus 2. 625 times 6. 30, 12, 15, 36, 37 plus 2. 3752. Negative 10 times 2 to the 5th minus 3. Negative 10 to the times 32 minus 3. Negative 320 minus 3. Negative 323. Okay, and so now it's probably when I start using the calculator also. So we have 10.24, 4 to the 4th, plus 10.49. If you're using my calculators, you can plug it in just like that and get your answer. 10.24, parentheses 4, parentheses housetop 4, right arrow to push the exponent back down, plus 10.49. 2631.93. Zero 0.3 to the 1 plus 3.35. Anything to the 1 is what it is. 3.65. That's it.